Hello everyone. Well, I know it's been quite a long time since I posted a video here on my YouTube channel. I think it's been well over a month now, and there's a reason for that, a good reason for that. I've had quite a lot going on, in my life and things that have been going on. We've had a death in the family, which has caused, as you can imagine, a lot of upsetting. It's been very traumatic, very upsetting. Which I'm not going to go into detail about it, but that's not been easy. I'm still trying to look for a new job at the moment, which is tough. It's tough. Anyone who lives in the UK, you'll know how tough it is to find a decent job. We have what they call job centres here in the UK, but for those of you that know about the job centres and have had dealings with them, my good friend Jacob knows exactly what I'm talking about here when I mention the job centre, because I know he doesn't like them either. They're absolutely shit. And when I say shit, I mean they are shit. They fucking don't help you at all. And excuse my language, I don't often swear on my YouTube channel, but they really fucking infuriate me because they just palm you off all the time with whatever they think you should do or any stupid courses they think you should do. Instead of actually helping you find a decent job that's going to be stable, that's going to give you a good income, they don't do that. So, there's been a lot going on, but I just really wanted to shoot this video to give you a bit of an update as to what's happening. I haven't forgotten about making videos on my YouTube channel, and making videos is a passion of mine, and it has been for many years. I like making videos. I love photography as well. For those of you that may follow me on Instagram, I'm always posting videos on pictures on Instagram and videos as well. But one of the main reasons, apart from giving you this update, I wanted to share something I captured on camera about a week or so ago. We had a really huge thunderstorm here in the UK. It was about a week or so ago, I think, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. It was really, really awesome, and I love thunderstorms. I love watching them, and I love filming them even more. But we've had a lot of humid, hot weather here over the last few months, and it's been causing me to have quite a few headaches and migraines, which doesn't help. But we had this massive thunderstorm, and I've not seen a thunderstorm like it in quite a few years. And I captured some of it on camera, and I just thought I'd share it with you guys in this video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm just going to let you guys check out this thunderstorm that we had. It was pretty awesome. So I'll be back very soon with new video content. I want to do my daily vlog series, which I'm looking forward to doing, as I've mentioned before in previous videos. And my Google Hangouts, I've missed doing them, so I want to catch up on doing them as well. But more importantly, I want to catch up with people that follow me here on YouTube and on Google+, because I've missed interacting with all of you. So enjoy this footage that I captured of this thunderstorm, everyone, and until my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now. Fucking really coming down now. Fucking hell. Jesus fuck. Oh, lovely. Oh, yes. Oh, fucking hell, I've got that on camera, that's right. Cool. Here comes the rain. Jesus. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's a bad one. Wait for it. I think she likes it. I think it's passing over now. Oh no, back too soon. The rain's eased off.